Yo, what's up, band fam? Just wanted to show you the extension, the wallet, the browser wallet that I've been building over the past, I guess it's been 3 days. I don't know, lost track of time. But as you can see, we got a website, monkeymask.cc. You can read through, see everything here. But yeah, right now, we don't have MonKeyMask. So what you'll need to do is actually install it from GitHub until I can get it onto the Google Chrome store. But anyways, let me show you how this works. I'm going to go ahead and do the developer install here. And now you can go ahead and pin it. I'll change that icon. You can either create a wallet or import a seed. So if you create a wallet, all you got to do is input a password. You get your mnemonic, you copy that, save it somewhere, verify it, and boom, we are in. But let me go ahead and actually remove this so we can actually see it with funds. Let's go ahead and load it again. That'll have to be something I add. It's like a delete wallet kind of thing. All right, let's go ahead and import. See how that works. So you'll just import your seed phrase, enter your password. And boom, we're in. We got history. You can click the history. It takes you over to Creeper. What else do we got? We got receive. So if you want to scan in your wallet, send some funds to it, you can do that. Copy to clipboard. You can also send funds. So we have BNS resolution in here. So you can actually put in a BNS name and it'll resolve it for you. So it'll send it out to the right place. So we'll go ahead and send it and see what happens. Boom, we sent it. You can go ahead and copy the transaction, or you can just view it on Creeper like this. So you can see that we sent 0.001 to Cosmic, which is my old Banano name, if you remember me. We also got a faucet. It's not working right now, but maybe in the future, if this gets enough eyes on it, I'll implement that. And then as well as buy, not implemented, but it's there for when we do. We got NFTs, which will be implemented eventually. So you'll have NFTs in your wallet so you can send it out and receive them. Got your history here, same thing as the first page, but more history. Then we have an explore tab, so you can view all the different stuff that the Banano ecosystem has to offer. So yeah, some really cool stuff there. Let's go ahead back home. You can hit refresh to refresh your balances and history. We can go over here. We can see our accounts, copy them. We can see our connected websites. We don't have anything connected yet. I'll show you how that works. We also have settings, so we can set this to a specific auto lock timer, as well as some different themes. And then you can lock your wallet. And then you'll have to put in your password to unlock it. So yeah, that's the main extension we got going on, but the real magic is actually getting it to interact with websites. So if we refresh MonKeyMask here, we can see that this changed to Connect Wallet, and down here we have also another Connect Wallet button here. So let's see how this works. So we click it, boom. We have a connection request coming in. You'll select the account that you want to connect to, the site details, and then you just click connect and boom, you're connected. So you can get all your balance history. You can send transactions from the website. So if we do this, and then we put in an amount, we can send transactions. So the website itself doesn't send the transaction. You actually have to confirm it in the wallet, which is like a typical Web3 kind of transaction flow. So you'll never have your seed exposed to the website. Boom, we approve it. We can see our transaction was sent. We can see the transaction hash. We can do message signing. So this is useful for getting people to sign in. So we can see how that works. So this is for like user authentication flows. When you're building your apps, you can sign it. You can see that it's valid. This just checks the signature against the public key that you signed with your private key, that kind of thing. The BNS resolution, you already saw that, but we can do it again. So it'll show that. Yeah, you can just go ahead and explore all that. But if you're a dev and you want to build your own app, do things like, oh, I want to add a donation button. It's super simple. Boom, donate, boom, approve, boom, thank you, and it's all good. So some pretty cool stuff you can build with this. You can build like a digital marketplace. You can build lotteries and stuff. So if you go over here to our docs page, you'll have all the information in here. How to set up your Next.js project. Super simple. You just wrap it with a provider. You add your connect button anywhere on your website, and you just interact with it by importing the use MonKeyMask provider, and then all these different functions that you can, or methods that you can use within it. And then we have the API reference. So each one kind of tells you just the different options and variables you can put into it, and then a quick example of how to implement it. So yeah, some cool stuff there. Different error code handling, complete authentication flows, stuff like that. So super excited because Banano hasn't really had anything like this before, and I kind of wanted to build it after building stuff on Solana. So hope you guys are interested in it at least. But yeah, we'll see you guys later. Thanks.